behind every success, there's a story of challenges, ups and downs. Even if you're successful, there are times when you must have failed, they must have faced a situation which put you down, which made you feel ugly. How do you actually handle them? How do you confront them in such a way that it'll put you back on top of the game? How do you use these experiences and transform them into some beautiful, inspiring experiences? Stay tuned in today's Daily Dynamo. Bye. How to help others using your knowledge, skills, and expertise and build a profitable online business. At the same time, overcome daily challenges of self-doubt and procrastination while maintaining relationships and good health. I'm Chinmai Swamy, and welcome to Daily Dynamo for short and powerful episodes with proven strategies and systems to boost your confidence, increase your sales, and get virtual clients. Hi. So, how do you use these experiences? How do you change them? First, we need to handle them. Next, we need to convert them. Okay, first, when you're having these negative experiences, and as a coach, it's demotivating because I know you have the courage to go and help others, but when you have the same problem or when you have a different problem, you start to question yourself. It's like, who am I to coach? Why is this happening to me? Am I good enough now? What you will start looking for something negative in you, right? So that you can justify what went wrong. Well, the reality is, ask yourself, anything could have gone wrong. When the shit hits the fan, when you have problems in health, wealth, and relationship, or business, clients, whatever it is, whatever the symptoms you're facing, the cause of it can be many. Okay, and when you're in the middle of it, you would handle it. Okay, when you're handling it, just handle it. Okay, don't justify, don't judge yourself, don't compare yourself, don't validate you as to why am I good enough to charge this many pounds and dollars for my client. No, nothing. When you're handling a situation, it's an emergency situation, handle that. It's like first aid. When someone's hurt, you just fix and handle the emergency. Then once the situation is handled, you then analyze as to assess how much big this is. How do you then prepare for the next stage, right? That's exactly what happens. Let's say you have a situation, you have dealt with something where you have an issue with your company, with your clients, with your team, and you are a coach who helps other coaches how to set up successful businesses and have successful teams, and you have a problem with your team, and that has put you off for months. So what? Handle it. It's no reflection of how good you are. The problem you're facing in handling a team situation is something which your clients would never face because they're still low in the gradient. You have helped them to even consider the thought of having their own team. Okay? So you have helped them to have a team. You are having a team and you're dealing with problems of higher problems or better problems of having a team. So that's good. Don't question yourself. Don't question your credibility as to who am I to coach someone if I am on someone to have a team or to set up a business team if I am having problems with my own business team. Don't do that, because you're much better than that, because you're helping someone to start a team who never had a team. Okay, so you all have problems, so you need a coach which will help you pull through your situation, and you're a coach to someone else. So it's a gradient. Okay, and once you understand that, you'll be able to handle any situation in life. Okay, that's one. Next, how do you convert them? Because once you have these situations, make a list. I make a list of all the problems which put me down, which held me back, and I would use them in my stories when I tell my clients, when I sell my clients, when I teach my clients, because these stories actually gives me more credibility. Okay, when you handle, going back to the example of a coach who has a problem with team, when the coach handles the team situation and comes on top, that becomes the greatest asset. That becomes a story, because that coach has solved it with new set of ideas, with new innovative solutions, and handled that problem, and that's a product on its own there. And suddenly that coach can use the story to sell and inspire another person to get, so that they can handle the same situation. And that's all it is. Well, for me, in February, March, April, May, I was full on. I was doing weekly masterminds. Like I was doing probably 20 days out of 30 days in a month. I was doing live Zoom sessions every day almost, and for each session were like 2.5 hours. And I was doing, and suddenly August and September I stopped. There were none, and I had my own issues. I was having my own problems with my team. I was problems with my personal life. I lost my granddad, and I couldn't handle it. And also, me and my wife were bringing up this amazing daughter, so we were having our own moments of challenges of how to handle the baby. So all of that came in between the work, and I realized that, oh my God, I thought I was organized. I was not organized, and I had to put things in place. I had to set a few things more tidy up, and that put me now in a better position to make more content. So that's what. So, and in those 4 months, I helped close to 80 people start a coaching business they never had. And now I'm in a better position. Now I'm going to come back and help those 80 plus hundreds of people to start a coaching business with even more stability, and help people who already have a coaching business to overcome similar challenges which I faced. And that is how you convert your own inner challenges, your own inner failures, your inner barriers into gold, into wealth, because you're using that to inspire others. Money is a measure of how many people you can help, and you can help only when you know how to handle the problem. And the more problems you handle, the better it is. So be glad that you have a problem and you faced it. Okay, that's my daily dynamo for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment section and tell me how it is. I would love to hear your comments, and tell me if you're watching this on YouTube, or you're listening to it on podcast, or you're watching this on Facebook, Instagram, wherever it is, leave a comment. I would love to know what you felt about this episode. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye. Hey, this is Chinmai Swamy, your host at Daily Dynamo. Be sure to follow and subscribe for new and energetic episodes. If you liked today's episode, please join the next live training, Virtual Sales Mastermind, where you will learn how to sell your advice online and get virtual clients. It's absolutely free. Simply go to virtualsalesmastermind.com to register for the free live training. See you in the next episode. Bye.